So this is how to transfer an investment account from TD Bank to Wealthsimple. So once you guys open up Wealthsimple at the bottom, there's four different options. Select the icon with the arrows heading in opposite directions or the move money icon. Once you're on the move page right here, just scroll down a little bit to where it says accounts and then select the option that says transfer account to Wealthsimple. Then press on get started. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and select TD Bank. So if it's not, under most popular here, you can search it up. But in my case, it says TD Canada Trust. Go ahead and select that option. Then once you're here, where are your investments held at TD Canada Trust? So you can select TD Direct Investing, TD EasyWeb, or I'm not sure. So in my case, I will just press TD Direct Investing as an example. Once it is selected, go to the bottom and press Next. Then on this page right here, you can sign into TD Canada Trust through the app for a faster experience, or you can go to the bottom and enter the information manually, which is what I will do for this demonstration. Once you're here, you can then select the type of investment account you are transferring. So you can look at the most popular accounts here. You can see the retirement accounts, other accounts, etc. So for example, if you wanted to maybe move your FHSA, you could go ahead and select that. Then at the bottom, press Next. Then once you're here, you can then add the account details for TD Bank. So you can type in the account number, go to the bottom, press next, and basically just proceed with the steps that'll follow. And then you can go ahead and complete the transfer this way. So that is how to transfer your investment account from TD Bank to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.